Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix mobile data and 5G errors on Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, let's check whether mobile data is turned on. To do that, swipe down the control center and check the mobile data tile in here. If it's not grayed out, then we can continue. Tap the gear icon and then go to connections in settings. Now here we're gonna have to go to mobile networks, and in network mode make sure to select 5G preferred. So if you had a 5G issue, your device didn't use 5G, make sure to select 5G in here. Then if your device still isn't connecting to 5G, or you are having any other related issues, swipe down the control center once again and toggle on the flight mode, which will reset all of the connections on our smartphone. Then disable it and let your device reconnect. If the issues are still there, restart your smartphone by holding down the power button and volume down keys for a couple of seconds and selecting restart option on the screen. Then wait until your device is relaunched. And the next troubleshooting step would be checking the SIM card physically. So let's remove it from our smartphone. The SIM card tray is at the bottom. We're gonna need a pin-like tool to remove the SIM card tray. Just carefully insert it into the pinhole attached to your SIM card tray. Push your tool inside and remove the tray from your smartphone, just like this. Okay, so we want to check the contacts of our SIM card. Make sure to carefully wipe them, make sure that they have no stains on them, and then try to reinsert your SIM card. Optionally, you can also change the SIM card slot. As you can see, we have two slots, so we can use any of these. For example, my SIM card used to be in SIM 1, so this time let's replace it into the SIM 2 position. Maybe it will read our SIM card better. Make sure that your SIM card doesn't move. After being inserted, it shouldn't be falling out if you rotate the SIM card tray, even if you shake it a bit. And now let's reinsert the SIM card. Okay, so the smartphone detected the SIM card. Now we also want to check the access point names. Swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon, go to connections, go to mobile networks, go to access point names, then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and reset your APN settings to default. And then check your mobile data once again. And if nothing I mentioned helped you, then scroll down to General Management on your smartphone, then scroll down to Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Confirm. And after that, the issue should be gone. If not, then lastly, the last thing that we can do on our phone is check for software update. Now to do that, you're gonna need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So let's go to software update. It's an option at the bottom of the settings list. Check for available ones, and if you do have one to install, take your time to do so. Otherwise, the other solutions remaining are, first of all, confirming whether your carrier actually supports 5G, and the second one is basically contacting your carrier to check for network outages, or account or SIM provisioning issues. And yeah, and we can also include 5G support to this list. If nothing I showed you in this video helped, then definitely it should be one of these things that you should discuss with your carrier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.